welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is Shai. If you are new here, hello. I'm Shai. Oh my god, I'm too bright. Hold on. If you don't know me, I'm a coffee lover. That's one thing. And I love makeup. I have my own business. Yeah. Subscribe for more. I don't know. For today's video, we're gonna do this makeup look. Very simple, very alam niyo yung coffee friendly makeup look. Alam mo, feeling ko this makeup look is so coffee related video. Parang I'm just gonna, well, I don't know kung anong title na tong video na to. But I feel like I'm gonna put coffee in the title because I look too coffee-ish. You know, my shirt looks like I'm a coffee person. I have a coffee. My lip gloss is coffee flavored lip gloss. So I'm a coffee person. Share ko lang. Whatever. Hey, I'm back with another makeup video. I have white mocha, light ice, or palms for you. Iced coffee recommendation from Starbucks. Ayan siya. White mocha, light ice, 4 pumps lang. Kasi usually 5 pumps, diba? Sa venti. Thank you po sa ating sponsor. Sponsor of the day, Miss Karel. Thank you so much. Char.
For the purpose of this video, parang hindi lang super pangit. And if gusto niyo naman itali yung hair niyo, that's
Okay.
okay.
So, okay na siya. Pwede na tayo mag-start. So, for this makeup look, we're going for a very simple, glowy, everyday makeup look. I don't need to like, alam niyo, glam ng bongga. Pero gusto ko fresh. So, I'm using the Bello Sun Expert Perfect Tinted sunscreen. Ayan, buy one take one kasi siya, kaya may ganito. Hindi ako magpa-foundation kasi, alam niyo ba, wait lang, may share ako. Yung MAC ko na foundation, di ba ang mahal ng MAC? Tapos parang, na-realize ko na parang it's not worth it for me to buy ganon, mga MAC na foundation. Kasi, hindi ako mafunda everyday. So, nasasayang siya. Tapos, everyday nagbabago yung skin color ko, yung shade ko nagbabago. So, ngayon yung MAC ko, kalahati pa rin siya. Eh, mag-expire na siya this year. So, ayun. I mean, maganda pa rin naman yung MAC, diba? If I need. Pero parang magmumukha akong morena. I mean, morena naman ako. Ano ba? Pero mas magmumukha akong darker shade kaysa sa shade ko ngayon kapag ginamit ko yung MAC ko. Ayan. O, diba? Ang layo na ng shade. Ala! So, nangihinayang ako. So, ganyan. Pa-tinted sunscreen lang muna tayo. Ayoko muna bumili ng mga foundation kasi wala. Tsaka ano lang naman to? Ang tawag dito? Parang everyday glam up. Yan. Make sure na meron kayong sunscreen. Wait lang. Heist! Nalagay na natin ang ating sunscreen. Next naman na gusto kong gawin ay concealer. Ika-conceal ako kasi tinan nyo medyo ang aking mata, hindi siya maganda. Hindi ako proud sa mga pinupuyat ko lately. Charot lang. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage Concealer. Pero maganda tong concealer na to. Very full coverage talaga siya, guys. But parang may pagka-yellow tint yung kinuha kong shade. Again, kasi nga, matagal na to, I don't spend money on new makeup here and there. Kasi, wala lang, magastos. So, medyo yellowish yung undertone niya. Put a little bit lang. Tapos, I'm gonna put yung sobra here sa chin ko. Pretty! Next naman, na gagamitin natin is ang Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation ko. Ayan. Matagal-tagal na din to. Hindi ko pa nauubos. So, ito lang yung isa-set natin, guys. Hindi ako ma-oily masyado. Ayan. So, yung skin type ko is medyo dry. So, kung saan lang ako naglagay ng concealer, yun lang yung mga sineset ko. Uy, share ko lang. Share ko lang! Ang cute na to. Super cute na to. Ayan. Glass siya, guys. As in, mababasagin siya. And this is for only 80 pesos na nakuha ko sa Glad King. So, sobrang saya kasi meron na akong brushes. Ang dami ng brushes ko. Huwag niya napansin. Gagawin natin ang ating kilay. So, sa paggawa ng kilay, kailangan mo maging focus. Charot. You can use any pomade that you have. Pero, kung saan kayo komportable, basta gawin niyo yung kilay niyo and then I will be right back. Okay? Kasi medyo matagal-tagal. So, may kilay na tayo. Very good. Yun nga guys, you can use any pomade or any, kung hindi kayo mag-ano. Ako, ito lang ginagamit ko. And, binabrush ko lang siyang ganyan. Hindi na ako naglalagay ng any eyebrow mascara. Hindi na. Okay, next, gagamitin ko yung BLK. Medyo madumi siya, so, kasi nabasag siya, like this. But, whatever. Kukuha lang konti sa, sa contour part ng LOCAL Cosmetics in the shade, anong shade ko to? This is in the shade Flushed, tong palette na to. So, ganyan. Konting color lang sa eyelids. Perfect.
And push my love aside and then hopelessly devoted to you. Okay, never mind.
Yan. Tapos, kiyat tayo ng konti para lang lagay natin dito sa... Dito lang. Yan. Huwag nyo na isagad dito. Dito lang. Yan. Oh, di ba may kulay ng ating buhay? So, after nyan, we're gonna do the lashes. For my lashes, I'm using my Revlon Volume Length Magnified Mascara. Ituturo kong trick sa inyo, guys. Diba, kapag magmamaskara kayo, ay kapag magka-pearl kayo, diba, lagi kayo gumaganyan. I suggest not. Gaganto ka lang. Diba, ganyan. Look straightforward, ganyan. Tapos, ipipress nyo ito sa eyelids nyo. Ganyan. Tapos, kunin nyo yung lash. Oh, diba? It's easier. It's easier. It's easier, mga bebe. So, after nyan, we're gonna use this. Very little lang kasi yung ilong ko. Yun na i-check. Do you see the difference? Ayan. Pack. Oops. We're gonna use the Revlon Color Stay Endless Glow. Looks like this. Ikang konti. Usually dapat sineset yung mga liquids sa face. Ito, gagamitin natin is yung light highlight. Very konti lang. Bango talaga nito, may chocolate. Tapos, inom tayo ulit ng kape. Lip balm. I have my own lip gloss kasi. So, I have my own lip gloss. SMS Cosmetics. Shameless plug. SMS Cosmetics. Links will be in the description box. This is in the shade Peach Wrap. Peach Wrap, yan. Ito itsura niya. So, wand. Dude. Do you see the gloss? Do you see the gloss? Do you see the gloss? Ang saya. Ang saya-saya ko. Sorry. I'm so proud of my products kasi. Sorry naman. Yeah. Pero I don't like this for today. Hindi siya nagmamatch sa makeup ko. So, we're gonna change that. Pero, I just wanna show you. This is our sheer clear gloss. This is SMS Peach Wrap. So, if you want, you can get those. It's available now in Shopee. Okay. So, since nakita nyo na itsura ni Peach Wrap, it's very sheer, it's very sheer, very light, very clear, ganyan. So, ito naman ito yung favorite ko, si Coffee Glaze. This is my tester. My heart goes, super kapal ng niya, tawag dito. I swear, hindi ganito yung itsura niya kapag na-receive niyo yung product. Pero, kasi nga ginagamit ko siya almost every day, so makalama siya. Ayan, tsaka nire-refill ko kasi to guys, para di ko nire-reuse ko yung bottle ko. So, ayan! Oh my god, I love it! Super nice talaga. It smells like coffee. Yun yung ating theme for today, coffee. Super moisturizing niya. It's non-sticky. It's pretty. Charot. Yeah. So everything will be in the description box down below if you guys are interested. Yeah.
Just remember this. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this entire video. If you guys learned a little bit, sana may nakuha kayong anything from this video. If you guys like this kinds of video, please give this a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I make coffee related videos, coffee related makeup things. Shut up. I'm a coffee person. I just want to say, if you're a coffee person, then we're gonna make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Bye!